Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will answer your question if your Xiaomi 15T has Game Turbo. So the short answer is yes, your Xiaomi 15T has Game Turbo. This feature optimizes your phone's performance for gaming by managing settings for smoother gameplay, and it is a standard part of the Xiaomi software experience on your device. So let me show you how to enable this Game Turbo. You have to open security application that looks like this and find Game Turbo option. It could be here under the common features tab, or you can go to popular features and here go to section that is related to gaming and eventually find Game Turbo. So let me turn my phone, and here you can access settings. So here are different sections of it, and also you can add some games to the list by tapping this plus icon right here. You can see a list of your applications, and from this list you need to find the game and basically add it for optimization. To exit this Game Turbo mode, you have to tap twice this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.